Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to cover the Odd Keherwa. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Before we get into this lesson, I want to apologize for taking so long to get this video out. So I recorded the Dhol part maybe about a week ago, but then got busy with work and other things. Even right now, I'm recording this close to midnight, so definitely trying to do my best to get content out whenever possible. I actually got this lesson from a video that I found on YouTube. It was posted by a guy named Viveik Saigal who posted lessons that he learned from Ustad Lal Singh Bhatti. Great content. I'm going to post his channel and a link to the lesson itself in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Fun fact, Ustad Lal Singh Bhatti is the Ustad of my Ustad, as much as he doesn't like me calling him that. I learned the majority of what I know from Pannu, who is the older brother of Gurpreet Pannu, who you may have seen in some of the video lessons. With that being said, let's jump right into this lesson. I'm going to play a quick overview of the rhythm so you know what it sounds like, and then we'll start breaking it down. Ustad Lal Singh Bhatti in his video uses Chaal and Keherwa interchangeably. So you can think of this as an odd way of playing Chaal because it simply just starts differently. With Chaal, you're starting with a da on the first beat, but in this rhythm, we're starting with a na, and the emphasis lies on the latter half of the rhythm itself. Just to make a note, he plays the first bass strike closed, but we're gonna keep it open because in my opinion, it'll be much easier for you guys to learn. So once you have the rhythm down, you can practice it by either playing open bass strikes or closed bass strikes. That's your preference. To get the rhythm down, there's a definite swing to it, and you really have to focus on the motions of the sticks. So I have my daga and tilli right here, and I'm gonna kind of just break it down for you. So the bowls for the rhythm are as follows. Na ge na ge da, na da. And it's really important to focus on the motions of the sticks. So we're gonna look at each individual motion individually, starting with the na. So this rhythm, like I mentioned, starts differently from Chaal or Keherwa because it doesn't start with a da, it starts with a na. So you want to start high and you want to end low, and that's the downstroke. The next one that follows is the ge. The ge is going to get a little bit confusing because you're playing ge na na ge, and it's kind of fast. And you'll kind of get this as you start practicing along. But you want to tap, tap stroke, upstroke, upstroke, da. And then what I would even do is don't even play the na in the beginning. Just practice that little part itself. Ge na na ge da. So you want to play. And if you really focus on where the da is, it follows the ge. And it's not like you're playing ge da. You want to have a slight pause, not even a slight pause, sorry. You want to have a slight tap. You're bringing the daga up, and the da is what comes down with emphasis. So in this rhythm, the emphasis lies on the two das that are played at the end. Na ge na ge da, na da, na ge na ge da, na da. And again, so you can break it down into parts however you see fit. I would recommend just leaving the na out in the beginning, focusing on that part because you want to kind of make it sound like a roll. The ending is fairly simple. It's going to be na da. The na is played as an upstroke. So after you play the da, so it'll be na ge da, you're already close to the dhol. You want to push in, and what I do is I push in with my ring finger here. Push in. You're going to have a slight tap, brings the tilli out, kind of resets you, and then the da comes down with full force. So na ge da, upstroke, downstroke. Na ge da, na da. Let's now take a look at the whole thing from start to finish, starting at a slow speed and then gradually increasing. First, I'll play the rhythm, pause, and then repeat, followed by me just playing it continuously. If you have a daga and tilli close by, grab it and then try to play on your legs just to follow along. This is the end of the lesson, but before you guys go, if you found the video useful, make sure you guys hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel to stay on top of future lessons. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.